Hey guys, welcome to my stream. My name is Elad. I'm a full-time trader focusing on the Nasdaq futures, the NQ. In this live session, I'm going to show you exactly how I look the market, break it down to the charts. If I will have a valid setup, I will trade it right in front of you. In this first time, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. The goal of the streams is not only to show live trades, but also to explain the way I think behind the scenes and before I take a trade. Enjoy! Okay, before we jump to the charts, let's zoom out. Here on the daily time frame, this right here is the all-time high, as you can see. Let's put it with purple. Okay. We took the previous all-time high. We broke down. We violated this bullish fair value gap right here. We had down candle right here. We violated it also. Once we are bullish, we need to respect the down candles. So like this right here, we had the down candle, we support the price and went higher. Right here also. Right here, same again. So my bias for today is bearish. Let's break it down also. Yesterday we went lower. We violated this fair value gap. We have another bearish fair value gap right here. So I have three signs we should go lower. Because we've violated this down candle, I can expect it to be a breaker. By the way, here we have another fair value gap. Let's make it a little bit. Let's make it orange. Okay. When you see orange fair value gap, you can expect it as inversion. When I make this right here as a gray, so it's without the order flow. Let's go to the 4 hour. Same idea. We have up candle, went lower. Up candles, went lower. Up candles, went lower. Up candles, went lower. Up candles, went lower. Same here, you can see. So I can expect those to be also such as a order block. What am I looking for? Most of the time I prefer to look for a liquidity raid. My idea is when we have manipulation in the market, we should seize them. So where the manipulation can occur, in this low, in this high, I will prefer the row to be like this. And take the short trade like this right here, targeting those lows. Let's see if we have news on the today. Just a minute. Don't see it on the screen right now. Never mind. Okay, we are waiting for the opening bell. And let's see what it provides us. If you have any questions or something, you can ask freely. Most of the time I trade with a friend of mine. His name is Jacob. We are trading 2 years, something like that. So maybe you will hear him in the live stream. Let's see the yes. Same idea, but we don't have a down candle right here. It's just near to us. You see it? We have a BPR here, balance price trade. It's very powerful right here. 6437. Let's do some in here, put an alert. So when it goes right here, it's a better short option. We are waiting. Where should the daily candle should go? I think this way. From here, go higher, maybe to tap right here. I don't think so. To this inversion, it's a great idea. And it will close as a black candle. Let's wait until we have a setup right here. I will prefer go short from above, not to go long from this low higher. I don't take trades between these liquidity pools. Just a minute. Let's say I put here. Okay. Let's wait together. Most of the time I prefer to take longs, to take position at 10 a.m. Most of the time the market will make a reverse on 10 a.m. We have a macro right here.
Order cancelled.
We have a macro right here, from this time to this time. Let's make it yellow. I will prefer to take my positions right here. It's macro time. From 9:50 to 10 a.m. Let's make it smaller. No, it's fine. So we are waiting. I want to show you the news, but I don't know how to put it here in the live stream. Let me show you. Never mind. Today it's the day before CPI, so maybe we'll get some choppiness right here. I don't recommend for new traders to trade in an environment like a CPI, the day of the CPI. The day before it may be a little bit choppy, and then the manipulation occur on the 8:30 when the CPI releases. Just remember, we are pretty bearish right here. I will prefer when we take some high, maybe this one here or maybe this one here, to be taken out and then taken shorts. This is the better option. Where do I target? First this one and later this one. maybe it won't go all the way right here. It's pretty smooth. There are a lot of stop orders right here. So I take a deeper look on every high, like this one. This is the one I prefer. Let's make it bigger, like this. This is the opening bell. Sometimes I mark this one here as a fair value gap, the first presented. But the first presented fair value gap, most of the time, it's the one that when you see after the 930 on 931 and so on. Just see, we took some high right here. Maybe we will have MSS, market structure shift. And this will be our target. You see how it delivers right here? From this high to this candle's low, there is no gap. Once the algorithm will show us his hand, we will trade with him. Before the macro time, most of the time I look for SMTs on the 5-minute and above. And SMT is a smart money technique that I can search for cracking the correlation between the ES and the Nasdaq. It may show us the stronger indice and can sign us which one is a better option for taking a trade. Once I can spot it on my iPad, you will see it on the screen. We have here an SMT. You see right here. On the 15 minutes, this low is lower than this low, but once I go to the ES, this low is higher than this low. So NQ is a better option for buy. Let's see. The more the time passes, the more I am looking for setups after the opening bell. I don't like to trade on the first 15 minutes. As you can see, we have here the first presented fair value gap. It may show us an indication where the market should go. Most of the time I don't like to trade this model because it's a little bit risky without the clues. Let's see. As you can understand, I trade the ICT concepts. I've seen a lot of profits from it. This right here may be inversion right now. If it breaks below this low, this may be our breaker. The only thing that I don't like, let's make it red. Is the risk of the potential trade. If I take this one, I don't like to risk above 25 points. It's looking very good. Let's see if we take this right here. Do we have an MSS? We have an MSS on the ES. Oh, we have a, okay. On the ES, we have an SMT. Okay, it's time for trade. I will show you what I mean. Great start. Okay, what do we have? First of all, we have this first presented as inversion. We have this fair value gap with us. Let's mark it down also.
Order submitted.
With the order flow. So it should be respected. This trade should be like this. Where do I target? First of all, after 50 points, I take some profit out of the table.
Order filled.
And the rest should be a runner. Where? I'll show you right now. Right here. This is where the market should go. This is the next target because we are bearish, remember? Let's see how it's played. What do you think? Should we win? Should we lose? The better option is when it takes down this structure. Right now we have an SMT here. You don't see it.
Order filled.
I will show you. ES. Right here. We see this high, 933, 940. Now look at the NQ. You see? This is the high. So we have a cracking the correlation.
Order submitted.
Great. Now we have orders. Let's see how it plays. This will be our next
Order
structure.
submitted.
Once this law is disrespected, we are more bearish than right now. Great. Looking good. Looking good. Stop should be right here. Tip is smashed. Let the runner run.
Order filled.
Stop should be after the fee costs. Let's focus on the 5 minutes. On the 5 minutes, we should go lower. This is a scary one, you see. Once we have a liquidity here, just a fair value gap beneath. It should be a little bit risky, but I focus on the higher time frame so we can anticipate this level right here. Right here we have more stops. The ones that took some size of shorts right here should match buy orders to sell them, so they would have someone to make profit from. Let's let it run. A little bit scary. But we should remember where the market should go. It went just for another fair value gap. Right here. My focus is here on the middle, and we got stopped out. Up candle should take us lower, but the thing that I don't like is that we disrespect the middle fair value gap that we count on. Maybe it's a break-even stop. The idea of the trade, we have a first presented that acts like an inversion. We have a fair value gap right here with our side. Also, we have an SMT, that's the ES. You see, this right here. this right here. And also we like to take shorts because we have displacement on the daily. We don't respect lows right here, just like here, like here. So this one should be not respected. This is our next target. That's it. I don't like that this 5 candle is closing right here, and we stopped out. Okay, we took 60 points,
Order filled.
and that's enough. Let's close the positions, close the orders also. For today we took
Order cancelled.
1,030. That's nice. $1,300 for today, not bad. And I take one trade a day, so this was my trade. So I will close the charts right here, and I will see you tomorrow. Play safe.